engrossed in my wants,
that I don't see my shepherd ahead,
leading me in paths of righteousness, leading me beside the still waters.
Remind me, Lord, again and again of the time you protected me at a cost, of the sacrifice you made at the cross, just so I can learn to trust you always.
What if I'm so engrossed in my pain
that I don't see the table laid before me, in the presence of my enemies who hurt and wish we should forgive, reconcile. Remind me, Lord, again and again of the time you protected me at a cost, of the sacrifice you made at the cross, just so I can learn to trust you always.
What if I fear the valley of the shadow, that I cannot allow you to lead me through,
that I stop right there in the middle of it and cannot be led to the safety of your wings? Remind me, Lord, again and again of the time you protected me at a cost, of the sacrifice you made at the
just so I can learn. You trust you always.